camo. Let's start that again.
Hey guys, it's Shamila and this is Shyla Baby, my beautiful co-star. Whoa, her chair's sliding. Today we are going to be reviewing these awesome masks that we got for $2. We got them from Five Below.
If you haven't heard of that store.
It's the bomb diggity. Alright, so this glitter mask is a peel-off glitter gel mask. Sorry, I don't know if you can see that because of my light. I'm going to read the directions here. It says, start with a clean face, dry face. We cleaned our faces, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, Shyla, back it up. It's too close. Okay, so we cleaned our faces. So that's good to go. Step 2 says, open packet and mix gel with fingers or brush for maximum glitter. Now, I'm going to let you know, I had no idea that this was going to be a messy mask. I thought it was one of those you take out of the packet and lay on your face, but no, apparently not. So we're going to see what happens.
I think we might need a bowl.
No, you're supposed to mix it inside the packet and then just like scoop it out with your fingers and put it on like that. Then it says, apply to face. Keep away from eyes. Step 4 says, leave mask on for 15 minutes or until completely dry. Step 5 is gently peel mask away from face. So, you guys get to see the whole $2 process with us. With their at-home mask. I'm going to open mine, and then I'll open yours, Shyla. Okay. Shyla's rocking this beautiful blue mermaid hair.
Mm-hmm.
I can't get it open. Okay, there we go. Okay, let me open yours. This is actually really hard to open. I would suggest using scissors.
If you don't have long nails, if you do, you can slice it or just rip it out.
Smells good.
Let me smell. It smells like coconuts.
It kind of does, actually. How do you know what coconuts smell like?
Because I don't know.
Okay, pull your sleeves up so you don't get your shirt all in there. Because you're going to have to mix it up with your fingers. I can't get that open.
I'm scared.
I don't even see the glitter in yours.
I don't either.
I'm sure it's in there somewhere, though.
The glitter. It's just a little bit though.
Girl, get your fingers out the camera. Okay, so we're going to open it up. This is really goofy.
Ew,
We're mixing it up, right?
slime. Yeah, probably is slime.
Mine is gold. Shyla's is silver, obviously.
Obviously.
Okay, so I'm going to start applying it to my face now.
I'm not ready yet.
Well, I am. Hopefully this doesn't break my face out.
We just washed it.
I'm talking about the mask, silly.
Oh,
This is like snot that I'm putting all over my face. It don't smell like it.
it's my snot.
It's disgusting.
I made it for people to put on their face.
And you're selling it for $2.
Yeah.
That's a lot of snot.
This is a joke, guys.
She's
Untrue.
I'm telling the truth. What are you talking
You don't always tell the truth.
Oh, yes I do.
Sometimes.
I try not to lie.
I know. Oh, can you see the glitter on my forehead?
I can. You can see the gold on my face.
Sorry, guys. We're at 10%.
We gotta beat the clock.
Yeah. The clock is ticking, so stay.
Oh, I'm getting it in my hair.
Ew, nasty.
Yeah, I know. I got your nasty snot in my hair.
Ew.
It's cold.
It's very cold. If you put this on, it will be very cold. Expect it.
It almost feels like it has a cooling effect, so it gets colder.
And colder and colder and colder. But it's glitter. It's glittery. You can see that. Look at all this glitter.
Girl,
I'm just trying to show them.
make sure you stay away from your eye, Shyla.
I am. Kind of.
Kind of.
It got in my hair.
Well, it's in my hair too, so I guess that's what showers are for.
Yeah, probably. Hey, gotta buy my eye.
Okay, I think I'm about done with mine.
You're not done yet.
I wonder if this is gonna leave you with like a pretty glow.
Maybe me. Look at me. Don't I look beautiful with glitter on my face? And mommy?
Glitter and snot, baby. Glitter and snot. Whoa.
It's a combo. Glitter and snot.
It's a what?
A combo.
A combo.
It's started to get in my nose.
No.
It's my nose stuff, so it doesn't matter.
It's your nose stuff.
Yeah.
Face dry for 15 minutes like it says, and then we'll be right back to you guys. And I need to wash my hands.
I need to get
And
my...
you're still digging in your nose. Stop.
No, I need to get my hair back on track and my hands washed.
Right, we got some prepping to do, so give us 15 minutes and we'll be right back.
Oh, I'll put it on.
Hey!
Oh, wait.
I got my hair right on track.
Mm-hmm. Oh, my hair is sticking to my face. Move out the way. We're supposed to be sharing. I'm sticky. Sticky, icky, icky.
So around my mouth is really tight. So you'll feel really tight. You'll feel like your face is increasing and all that crazy stuff.
Increasing and all that crazy stuff. It does feel like it's tightening.
Yeah.
Obviously, it's a peel, so. Shyla, move your hands.
I'll see you when 15 minutes is gone. I love you guys. Bye. It's the rolly rolly. All I ever wanted is to rolly rolly.
What is that?
Routine
My skin looks like it's all discolored. What the heck?
for you guys. Alright guys, we might, maybe, we don't know. You comment what you want us to do, and we'll do whatever you want us to do.
I don't even know like what the purpose of this thing is. Like I don't.
My slime would have dried out if I made it out of this.
Honestly, I think you could use this for slime.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Yay.
Okay, let's see. Have a seat.
Okay. Alright guys, I think it probably been 15 minutes.
It's been about that long. Your forehead is still a little wet. So let's. And your side. So, here, you fan this side of your face and I'll fan this side.
Okay.
Each of these $2 packets, if you're interested in trying it, you should be able to do at least 2 applications. I did my whole face, and I still have half a packet left. So if you just put it in like a storage bag, you can store it for next time.
Yep, and you could either use it for slime or you could store it if your face turns out good. It's up to you guys.
You want to take it off?
Yeah,
It's just a little wet right here.
it's fine.
Okay, start from my mouth,
Mm-hmm.
or you can start from your chin. Wherever it's starting to peel is where I would start. Apparently that was just goop.
Look at it. It's a competition. Look at it. Doesn't it look so disgusting? It was easy for it. Hey. Okay, I'll try my nose now.
You could probably even use this for like some special effects makeup.
Yeah, you could be like, oh, I'm peeling my skin off.
Yeah, what she said.
They wouldn't even understand if you make it fully dry. It'll probably blend into your face. Oh, I'm peeling my skin off, but I still got more skin. Ow. What?
Apparently I got a ton of hair on my face over here.
I don't think I do. Oh, this is goopy.
I actually wanted to wait. You said.
I don't care. No.
If you guys like playing with glue, like putting glue on your body, essentially, I think this is what this is. It's just like
Dry glue, probably.
glue with glitter in it.
Yeah. Hey, guys, we're probably going to make slime with this. Yeah, the rest that we have. Or we could use the glue that we have. Which one?
Neither.
Yeah. No, we're probably... Remember, it was supposed to be, Oh, I remember. Do you? Remember? It was supposed to be glue and body wash. And then contact solution. Which nose spray is the same as contact solution.
We actually have contact solution in there.
Okay,
I
then we
found
can...
it.
Oh, good. Then we can use that. Right?
I guess. But not tonight.
Why? You said so.
We're making a video tonight. Which one's more important? Video or slime that we do all the time?
Slime.
Priorities, girl, priorities.
We'll do it really quickly. It's only a 3 recipe. Then you just gotta mix it all up, and then
My fingers are like so messy right now.
and then it's done. Easy.
I am tired of making slime.
No, it's just this last time. I won't mess with you.
No, you say that all the time.
I won't mess with you this time.
Yeah, okay.
No, it's true.
Yeah,
Guys,
okay.
you think I'm lying or telling you the truth? Just so you know, I'm gonna tell you I'm telling the truth.
But regardless, leave a comment. Do you think Shyla is gonna leave me alone about this slime thing? If we do it tonight or no?
Yeah. Please, can we at least try?
We just did some yesterday.
Just please today.
And then the day before.
We're just trying today. Remember?
I don't want to make slime every single day.
It's not every single day. You don't have to make it every single day, though. See? It's this big ball. Look like a
I
spider.
think my face looks lighter though.
My face looks really dark. I don't know. I might be turning into you. You might be turning into me.
Really? So when we
Make the slime.
no, I'm not talking about slime.
Okay.
When we went to go wash our hands after we put the mask on our face, this mask did not come off of our hands until we used soap. So keep that in mind.
Before you try this, watch this video and you'll see how
I'm
you
gonna
might
like
react.
rub it off my face.
Really?
Ugh. It's not peeling off.
I can't rub it off my face. Look at all this that I have. I still have all that. I don't like this. Oh, but I like this. Ow, I'm peeling my skin off. Did you see that?
Did you see that? I didn't.
No, I didn't. So, if you buy this, just use it for your slime, please.
I mean, like I said, it's for fun.
And for
If you're having a girls' night or something and you just want to do something random and girly and fun,
pretty.
then
Pretty.
this is the thing to do. And
If you're a grown up and you watch our channel, then just do it.
what she said, just do it. Yeah, it's like really in your baby hair. Yeah, I think this is gonna end our video. So, what do you gotta say, Shyla?
This was a horrible mess for me, but you can use it for slime, or if you think this is gonna work out totally for you, look at all this skin. Are you sure?
Alright, you guys, thank you for watching.
I
Please
love you.
like, comment, and subscribe. Oh gosh. And if you found this video entertaining, share it, make us popular. How about that? Make us popular?
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.